This should be animated. There's nobody in here watching this. This is illegal.
Okay, back towards you.
Nope, this is illegal. Navy? Navy, now!
Turn over! Hey, police department. Go ahead and drop everything, okay?
I'm waiting for my dad.
Okay.
No, it doesn't matter. You should leave right now.
Hey, drop everything.
This is my dad's store. He owns it.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he
Hey,
does.
please stop talking
Yes,
to
he
him.
does.
Hey.
I swear to God, you have to wait.
I will. Don't turn
Let
into
go,
me.
please.
Turn around.
Let go.
Hey,
Let
listen.
go. This is not celebrity.
Let's go. Let's go
Come this way.
around to the doorway over here.
We can go back. We can go back.
Okay.
We can go back.
Nope.
No, we're waiting for my dad. Stop.
So you ready? Hang on. Hang on 1 second.
Let go. My dad owns the store. I'm not kidding. Look at it. Oh my God, you're hurting me. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Enough.
Look, please.
Stop.
Look.
Enough.
You guys are both assaulting me.
What happened? I need to know now.
Okay, shaking is...
Tell me what happened.
What? The glue machines are allowed to
Stop
touch
all
me
the
like
stuff
this.
that she
I'm calling
trying to walk
Rachel.
back there. I asked her
Right now.
to get out of the place.
Dudley,
Okay, did she make any attempt to pay?
let go. It's okay. I'll
Did she try to walk out the door?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. You're under arrest.
No, I did not.
Down to the ground. Down to the ground.
He lied. He wasn't even
Down.
there. He wasn't
resisting.
even there. Watch
Stop
the
resisting.
Hey.
Stop
Watch
resisting.
the cameras. It's easy.
Stop resisting.
I swear to God.
Stop
I swear to God,
resisting.
it's easy.
Stop resisting.
Johnny Hawkins.
Stop resisting.
Johnny Hawkins.
Stop
Watch
resisting.
the cameras. They said, and I know that I did not walk out of the store. This is illegal.
You're under arrest.
No, don't listen to
Put
me.
your arms behind your
No,
back.
this is publicity.
And do it now.
No.
Stop.
Nope.
Put your hands
Let
behind your
go.
back.
There's two
now.
Terminators with me.
Put your arms behind your back. Okay.
Oh. Oh.
You're making this a lot harder than it needs to be,
And
okay?
you're not real. My dad owns the store. That's not
Stop
a real deal.
resisting.
Look. Let go.
Stop resisting.
Hang on. Hang on.
Oh. Oh. Ow.
Get your arm out. This is gonna hurt.
I need customers now. Where the is the store owner? This should be animated. There's nobody in here watching this. This is illegal.
Okay, back towards you.
Nope, this is illegal. Navy? Navy, now!
Turn over.
You
Stop
said it.
resisting.
You know who I am?
Hey,
You're the United States President.
We're the police. You need to stop
You
resisting.
know who I am! Stop! This is illegal! Look, there's no other women! There's no men!
Stop
I
resisting.
swear to God, there's no men and women.
Roll over.
Ah!
Hang on.
There's no other heart!
What do you need?
So
Let
we
go!
okay, hang on. Hang on.
Can you get your arm out?
Yep, see, I got this well.
Ow!
Your arm out?
Federal police!
Go ahead.
This is federal
Let
police!
go of your own hair.
You good on the left arm?
Daddy, get away!
Get your arm out.
Get away!
Get your arm out.
Let go!
Get your arm out.
Yeah,
Get your arm out.
let go of your hair.
I'm trying! Let go!
Up. Get.
In Tevins! No! No! Okay.
Got it?
Oh my God!
Get it? A little bit.
Mark your hand.
Yep. Go ahead.
Good.
Okay.
Everyone good?
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Right. So you're under arrest for shoplifting and resisting arrest.
There's no ice for you.
All right.
Yep. You got sharp elbows. Oh, thank you.
All right. Pull your side. You first.
Yeah, we'll meet off right.
My dad's coming.
Hey, stop.
Ow!
You
My
stop.
dad!
You understand?
Whoa! Hey!
Don't grab me.
Don't grab anyone.
You don't know what it's like to have
Don't
a
grab a
fucking
hand.
leg.
Don't grab a hand. Don't fight. Don't move.
I need to get this
Do you
pocket.
understand? Which pocket?
You're the man here. Let go.
No. Okay, sit up on your butt.
Yeah.
Sit up on your butt.
You good here?
I'm good.
Okay, I'll start back.
Stay there.
Please stop.
I will when you stop. Got it? After this,
You are assaulting me. I need to be standing
after
up.
this, we're gonna stand up afterwards. Hold on. You good?
Yep.
Stand up.
Staff member, please.
Thank you. All right. I got an arm. You got an arm.
Oh,
We're gonna walk.
stop.
Pardon me, sir. When we get to the car, you're gonna sit in the back seat. You understand me?
So I need to know, out of all this, what is your property so we can deal with it?
All right, sir. That is our property.
Okay, hang on 1 second. This little holder here. Okay, hang on. We're gonna go through each individual one. We'll take some video. So here. Okay, so this like first aid kit. Okay. 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 Yep, it's a little fanny pack thing. Okay. Okay. These shoes right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Those are what she's wearing.
Okay. So she took them out of the box and put them on her feet.
Yes.
Okay.
Throw blanket here.
Okay.
All of this clothing that's not in
Okay.
this bag is ours.
Okay. We'll take all this up front and we'll go from there. Sorry. Apologize for making a mess in your store. Yeah, if you just want to gather up the property, we'll run it up front.
I need
You
to
wanna
have
go and
my.
lock it?
Ow! My f***ing purse.
I know.
My
Walk
bike.
out the door. Walk out the
Please let
door.
go!
Walk out the door.
Please let
There you
go!
Stand up and walk.
Let
This is the
go.
car you're going to go in. No. Do you
This
understand?
is illegal.
No, it's not. You are under arrest. Hey. Stomping on me is going to get you
I
hurt.
get that. Let go. I'm not resisting, sir.
No. Get in the car.
Ow!
I'm not getting
You are going to get in the car. Put your feet in.
Okay, chill out for a minute, okay?
You don't exist.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't know if we're gonna get it.